Hi Rani, how are you? I have been listening that you are very sick and admitted into the hospital. So I am very worried. I could not go to her seeing and meeting you into the hospitals because I had not stayed in Kolkata. I went to the village house to visit my mother. She was very sick. What is your conditions right now? I am good, but I have been suffering for the disease. What is your disease? I was suffering for the stomach pain and headache. Please take the medicines timely. I shall go to her visit you in your house. Others conversations. Hi, Rani, how do you making the grapes juice? At first, I have bought the fresh grapes from the market and washed it. Then the grapes are put in the juicer machines and switch on, and then the liquid separated juices are poured into the bottles. How do you washing your dactyculus? At first I collected the dactyculus and put it into the machines for cleaning it, and then some water sanitizers poured into the machines and switch on. Then open the machines covered, and after washing it, dry it. Others conversations. Hi mom, how are you? I am very well, but why are you not coming with me? So I am worried. I have not a time, but I am trying also to meeting and seeing you after summer vacations. Okay, I am waiting. Everything is good in my house. Okay, not worry. Hi mom, can I help to you? Yes baby, you can to help me. What would be my work? Please you organize your bookshelf, and then you clean the table. Okay mom, I am ready for my working. But baby, at first you should be finishing your home tasks. Yes mom.